that we have here, folks, is such an amazing culture. We have such a great team.
Because emotions, as I said, will never go out of style. There's some companies out there in the normal world, if you will, that have billion-dollar revenue marks that we're gonna hunt down because we have better products, have better pricing, and I dang sure know we have a better distribution model than they have. That I believe in the next 3 to 5 years, we can create easily 100 millionaires. Anybody volunteering? One of the things I am so very passionate about this industry is this. It is 100% about helping people.
And what we do is make sure our technology is world-class with the ease to be mastered by every folk in the world.
It's called the answer because many people in their lives are looking for what? They need the answer, and we have it. So that's what the university will do, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It will really help you run your team. Again, my promise to each of you will be, this will be the absolute last company you ever have to work.